Hi, now we can have a demo of switch case. You can download sample datasets at our official website in that you can find resource options under header menu on that you can find sample datasets. Now we can start scanning. Initially we are scanning left control switches. This is non-defective sample, which means it will be passed. Next, we will scan light switches. This sample is well non-defective, so this will pass the case as well. Next, we will scan right control switches. Here we have highlighted defected case. In this, wrong symbols has placed over switch, so this will not pass the case. Here we have highlighted non-defected case. In this, correct symbols has placed over switch, so this will pass the case. Finally, we have generated overall report for scan switches with results.